Hey everybody, Candy Colored Poems. I just wanted to share Crumbles babies with you guys. We have two of them that are still available. We have Uno, which is this ice white little boy right here. He just has one little black spot on his rear end. Sorry, these guys are photobombing me. There's Mookie and Jelly Bean. Jelly, go. Go. And then we have this little guy available. His name is Amigo. He's got a half black face. And then he just has some black spots on his back. Ice white little guy. So that's Amigo, he's available. And then I'm just going to share these guys with you, even though they're already spoken for. This is Todd. Say hi to your mama, Todd. And then this is the baby girl. Her name is Maple now. Big yawn. Hi, sweet girl. So these are the two that are available right here. Baby Uno. And baby Amigo. Sorry, we have a lot going on. I'm going to zoom out so you can see. As soon as I bring the babies out, everybody wants to come and see what's going on. So here they are. If you're interested in either Uno or baby Amigo, please call me. We're in Southern California. My number is 909-228-2481. As you can see, they're starting to get up and move around a little bit. And Capone says hi too. You like those babies, Capone? And here comes Goose. He says, "Ooh, what's going on over here?" Easy. Okay, you guys. I hope you're enjoying your day, and give me a call if you are interested in the two little boys that we have left. Okay, 909-228-2481. Thanks.